Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hi, hello, this is Charlie Jose, and you're watching again another episode of UpStreamCharlie. In today's episode, we'll be using the S9 T-Wolf or T-Wolf S9. It's another soundbar that we bought from Lazada. Oh, by the way, if you plan to use the aux of the S9 T-Wolf, you need to use the micro USB to 3.5 jack, so you could plug it in to your laptop or to your cell phone if you want it direct to your earphone jacks. So that's the way to do it.
Bluetooth mode, AUX mode.
So today we'll be doing a deep bass test for the T-Wolf S9.
Jason Voorhees.
Hunter.
Okay, that ends the testing for the S9 T-Wolf that we bought from Lazada. Based from my point of hearing here in the studio, I could say that the bass can take it. Okay, the speaker the S9 speaker can take the bass, even the deep bass. Unfortunately, yung super deep bass talagang basag speaker eh. So, minsan ko na lang gagawin to para sa mga speakers namin. I guess that's it. So, thank you very much for watching. This is Charlie, and you just watched Upstream Charlie. Goodbye. Adios. Goodbye.